Good morning, dear students. Today in science class, I am going to discuss another chapter, that is chapter number 36, and the name is VEHIVCLES vehicles. Okay, having in your book page number 48. So all of you please open your science book and watch the video and try to understand what I am explaining here with the help of your parents. Okay, so let's start. Dear students, vehicles in Hindi we say वाहनों और वाहन, यातायात के साधन, ओके, जिसकी सहायता से हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं. हाँ, these are all vehicles, okay, or you can say transportation. Vehicle is a machine, this is a machine, okay, that transport people and goods from one place to another, like bus, auto, ship, tanga, helicopter, motorbike, etc. etc. Okay, these are all vehicles. Dear students, we cannot travel only on foot or walking through, isn't it? So we need vehicles or transportation. For what? To go from one place to another. Okay. So here written, see, vehicles carry us from place to place. So these are the vehicles, these carry us and sometimes goods also from one place to another place. Okay, like from your school to your school, your home to your school, school to your home, and your home to shelter, shelter to your home. Okay, then they make our life comfortable. These transportation or vehicles make our life comfortable or easier, isn't it? Without vehicles we cannot go any far of places. Okay, so we need vehicles for traveling, okay, one place to another. So here some vehicles name written. What's see, often we can say that auto, often we can say auto, isn't it? So here what written, see, this is called AUTO, auto, RICK, SHAW, show, auto rickshaw. Proper name is auto rickshaw, but often we say auto. Okay, you also go sometime in Silchar through auto or by auto. Next is, this is, you all know about it, this is called BUS, bus. Next is SHIP, ship. Whenever we travel in sea or ocean, that means that time we need ship, SHIP, ship. To cross the ocean or sea we use ship. Next is TONGA, tonga. Tonga we can see this in village areas, okay, pulled by horse, is called tonga. Next is HELI, heli, COP, cop, TER, tar, helicopter. City to city or nearby places we can go through helicopter. Okay, city to city we can go through helicopter, but from one country to another country we go by aeroplane. Okay, next is, you all know about it, this is, you often say this, bike. Okay, we also often see this bike, but this is called MOTOR, motor, CYCLE, cycle, motorcycle. Okay, motorcycle. Bike name is motorcycle. Next is, this is called TRUCK, truck. This is truck. Next is, trucks carry goods from one place to another. Okay, goods or things. Next is bullock cart. This is called bullock cart. This also you can see in village areas. BULLOCK, bullock, CART, cart, bullock cart, pulled by ox. Okay, next is BOAT, boat. To run the river or to cross the river we can use BOAT, boat. Okay, next is TRAIN, train. Train also we can say this transportation or vehicle. Train also carry people or goods from one place to another place. Okay, next is, up to this much your explanation of the chapter. Okay, you have to learn these names. Okay, vehicles name, Then now work. What work written here? See, first of all you have to write class work, then date. Today's date is 22, oblique month is 12, oblique 2021 is the year. Next is, see what written. What vehicles do you use for the following? Following some blanks given. What vehicle we use to go somewhere? You have to write in this blank. Okay, so first written, see, to go to school. This is your homework because some of you go to school by bike or motorcycle. Some of you go to school by auto rickshaw. Some of you go to school by van. Some of you go to school by cycle, isn't it? So you have to write this by yourself. Okay, that how you go to school, you have to write this. Next is to cross the river. So I told you, no, to cross the river we use boat. So here write B-O-A-T, boat. Next is to travel from Delhi to Kolkata. Delhi is a city, Kolkata is another city. So city to city we can use train also and helicopter also. So like write here train, T-R-A-I-N. Delhi to Kolkata we can go by train. Okay. Next is to travel in a village. So I told you, no, Tonga also we can see in village. We can travel Tonga in village areas and bullock cart also. Okay, so let's write both. T-O-N-G-A, Tonga, O-R or P-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock, C-A-R-T, cart, Tonga or bullock cart. Okay, next is to travel from India to England. See, India is our country. One country is India, another country is England. So country to country we can go only through aeroplane, only by aeroplane. A-E-R-O, aero, P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. Okay, from country to one country to another country we can go only by aeroplane. Okay, you have to write this in your science book, then learn this with the help of your parents. Okay.